Changes to channels and URLs will be applied to existing and new items. And B, it is mentioned as changes to other options will be default for new items and won't impact existing items. So what exactly it mean? Let's look into that. First one, it is given as changes to channels and URLs will be applied to existing and new items. That means let's assume we have added 3 channels and 1500 URLs at this partner level. Only channels and URLs will have this effect, whatever it is mentioned. Rest of the things will not impact existing one. At partner level, I have given 3 channels and 1500 URLs. Channels in the sense list of or bulk of URLs that is taken and we create with some name like 100 or 1000 URLs. We will add it into one channel. Likewise, there are 3 channels and 1500 separate URLs. So I targeted at partner level. Whenever I create new ones, so below levels gets inherited. Here you can see locked for channels and URLs. Once I add it at a partner level, what it shows here is it is locked for advertisers, campaigns, IOs and line items. So advertisers, campaigns, insertion orders and line items. For now, let's focus on insertion orders and line items and advertisers. So after a month, there I need to add few more channels as per the client instructions. So 3 channels is already added, 1500 URLs are already added. Extra, what they asked me to do is 2 channels extra and 500 URLs extra. That means overall it should be 5 channels and 2000 URLs. Now 3 channels and 1500 URLs changed to 5 channels and 2000 URLs. So in this case, as per the note, changes to the channels and URLs will be applied to existing and new one. So this is existing one and this is the new one. So existing will also get changed. Previously it is 3 channels and 1500. Now since I changed at partner level, I have changed from 3 to 5 channels. So even that settings got applied for existing as well as a new one. Likewise, when I create a new one again, so the same thing will be applied below levels in the DV360 hierarchy under the same partner. And another point it is mentioned, changes to other options. That means apart from channels and URLs under this partner level. Except channels and URLs, other options in the sense geo, environment and position. Changes to other options will be default for new items and won't impact existing one. Let's assume at geo I given US as a targeting. And when I create advertiser and below levels, this targeting is inherited as geo US. Now what I did after a month, while creating a new campaign, I added UK as extra. What happens is this extra region which is targeted, which extra country, extra geo targeting is inherited for a new one, whereas existing won't get affected. So existing follows with the same US, and whereas for a new one will follow US and UK. Because it is mentioned changes to other option will be default. So geo is other option, geo is other option. So changes to other options will be default for new items and won't impact existing items. So existing items is not impacted, whereas it is impacted only new one. Again, whenever I create with the same one, so it gets inherited by it for a new one, whereas old one will not get inherited. Likewise, the targeting works at a partner level.